Don't scroll, because the battle you're fighting right now isn't outside of you. It's happening inside your mind, and if you lose it there, you lose everything. God is saying to you today, my child, you've been trying to fix your life, but ignoring the place where the real war is happening, your mind. You feel the pull, don't you? One voice telling you to keep going, and another whispering, just give up. It's easier. That tension, that constant struggle, that's not weakness. That's a war between flesh and spirit. The flesh wants comfort, easy choices, temporary relief, but the spirit inside you wants growth, discipline, purpose. And right now, you're standing in between both, because every thought you entertain is deciding your direction. Every small choice is shaping your future. You think it's just a habit, just a feeling, just one moment, but those moments build patterns, and patterns build your life. But here's what you don't realize. You're not fighting alone. The same spirit that raised Jesus from the dead is already inside you. That means you're not powerless. You're not stuck. You're not controlled by your past. You just haven't fully stepped into who you already are. Because the moment you choose the spirit, even in the smallest decision, everything starts to shift. Peace replaces chaos. Clarity replaces confusion. Strength replaces weakness. Not all at once, but step by step. You are not a slave to your thoughts. You are not defined by your struggles. You are led by the Spirit of God. So today, choose life, choose peace, choose the Spirit. Because the battle in your mind was never meant to defeat you. It was meant to reveal who you really are. If this message touched your heart, comment amen and share it with someone who needs this today. God bless you.